This video will walk you through the process of configuring doors in Access Portal. To install the master controller and slave or peripheral devices, navigate to Setup menu and select Install to proceed. Select the master controller you wish to install the door to. If the master controller you are installing does not appear in the list, make use of the Scan Network options. The scan allows you to scan a range or specific IPs, where a scan subnet will scan the subnet. Under your master controller, if the slave controller is connected via RS485 to the master controller, click on Scan Bus. If it is connected via TCP/IP, click Scan Network. To scan your local network, select Scan Network. Tick in the box to select the TCP/IP slave you to install. To ensure you don't install all non-IP devices that directly connected to your master, untick this box to only install your IP selection. Here you will select if you want the software to automatically create doors for the devices or readers installed on site. Proceed with the installation by then clicking Install. Review the summary and click Confirm. In this tab, you can view your installed devices. When you are expanding the system, you can select the master controller and repeat the steps as previously shown in this video. A zone is a physically bounded area containing one or more doors. It is recommended that you create a zone before naming the door. Proceed by selecting Zones. Create a new zone. Give the zone a descriptive name. Select System Controller to assign the master controller that the zone belongs to. Then select the master controller. Click here to save. You can now proceed to complete your door configuration by selecting Setup and navigating to the Doors section. Best practice is to have a site configuration chart as per the example, to ensure the doors are named correctly based on the fixed addresses of the devices installed per door. I've selected to automatically create new doors during the installation process and therefore have to rename the doors. Select a quick door to rename. Enter a descriptive name for the door. Assign the door to a zone. And assign new door to a building and floor. This is optional, but it is useful for reporting purposes. Click here to save. This will also automatically rename your readers to the door name and direction of the reader. You can also open doors remotely from the software and swap its entry and exit readers around. The door section also has a multi-tag section which allows the operator to set how many people need to tag before the door opens. To complete the door configuration or to get a list of all the doors, you can use the breadcrumbs to navigate to the door's main view. To get a list of the readers assigned to that door, select the Readers tab under the door. A reader profile is a template that determines how the readers that belong to the profile will behave. The profile template guarantees standard behavior across all the readers assigned to it. To access the reader profile, select Setup and navigate to Reader Profiles. Select the default reader profile. Access the Readers tab to get a list of readers assigned to the profile. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.